Hello guys, this is Audio Shop Indo again. I want to review about one of the family tree from the Beats Studio Wireless. This one is Beats Studio Wireless 3. This one. It's Beats Studio Wireless 3. Yes, it is. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. It has titanium colors. Yeah, it's very exclusive. Inside the box you will get, it's hard to open. Okay, yeah, this is the headphone. Nice looking color, right? Yeah, this is Studio Wireless 3. The difference between the Studio Wireless 2 and 3 is only the color, I think. Yeah, the color is more exclusive. It's gray, okay. Yeah, the sound quality is the same as the Beat Studio 2 wireless, only the color is different. Okay, I want to talk about the same problem of all Beats. Yeah, ta-ta, broken headpad. Yeah, broken headpad. Well, if this matters to you, if this is the problem for you, you can come and visit to our workplace at Audio Shop Indo. So, how long do we take to replace the headpad? Around 30 minutes to an hour, I guess. Yeah, actually, yeah, we do have the spare part. So if you have problems with the headpad, yeah, we can help you to replace it. Actually, this is the major problem for the Beats. All the same broken here. I don't know why. Just ask the Beats by Dre. Is it Beats by Dre? Yeah. No. Yeah. Beats by Dre special edition. Yeah, special edition. Okay. Uh, Enough for talking about the negative side. Yeah, the powerful side is, yeah, the sound quality is no doubt. The bass is very wow bass, and the design is very exclusive. No doubt from the Beats. Very exclusive. I like to wear it, and I like the design too. And I dislike the problem. Okay, thank you for watching. This is a fast review from the Beats 3, the pro and the cons. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel at Audio Shop Indo TV, and comment and like our channel. Thank you for watching. This is Audio Shop Indo. Bye bye.